Jansen, Window Warriors Forum. Today we're going to take a look at Glisten. We purchased this from ABC Window Cleaning Supply. It's a concentrated glass cleaner. 1 gallon will make 1,000 gallons of solution. You can see with the packaging, this comes in the cardboard box, bubble wrap, and a plastic container that is also heavily taped. So this is securely packaged for shipment, so it doesn't leak during shipment or get on any of the other products that you might be purchasing. We love to use Glisten because the Squeegee, it moves fast on the glass. It's a low foaming soap, so we don't have to worry about the foam drying out the solution on the window too fast before it can squeegee it. And that also, the low foaming helps with working in the sun. Keeps your window wet much longer. When you apply Glisten to your water, it dissolves instantly into that water, which is another great feature on it. A great way that this, what this does is it reduces the drag on the squeegee, which allows that rubber to last a little bit longer as well. And it's biodegradable. We like to use Glisten in a floater bottle for dispensing it into our buckets. So we'll take and leave gallons in our shop area, possibly put a quart size into the trucks where we can take and fill up our floater bottles. So our guys have a choice of filling it in the shop from the gallons into the floaters, or they bring this into the trucks with them and fill the floater bottles a little more easily there. So we have many options with the different sizes that we have to purchase. Another great feature, I think one of the best of all, is the anti-static feature that this has. So it kind of keeps your windows clean much longer after you're done cleaning. But what we'll do is I put a video together working in the field on a residential home using Glisten. Take a look. We are working in the direct sunlight. The sun has been on the glass surface for a few hours at this point, so it is heated. We are still able to wet 2 windows down, one on each side of the worker. We're able to do this because Glisten is low foaming and it stays wet longer when on the glass surface. This makes us more efficient by allowing us to use less steps and get 2 windows done at the same time. We also enjoy that Glisten is minimal bleeding, allowing us to detail less around the edges when necessary. Let's take a look at Glisten on a commercial job. We're using Glisten on a commercial job. We're going to wet the window down. Glisten is designed for the professional window cleaner. So because it's low foaming, some guys don't like it. They like to have a lot of suds on the window so you can see the tracks and where you still need to squeegee. You got to realize, because this is made for the professional window cleaner, we're able to clean these windows without needing that dot-to-dot type foam to lead us in our way. We also like Glisten to use on other surfaces. Check this out. We get the same great results on other surfaces. We use it on metal, and in this case marble. This marble is located directly underneath a set of windows, so it just makes sense for us to use that same product on this surface as well. Now you've seen Glisten used in the field. You saw a basic introduction to Glisten and why we choose to use it within our company. And take a look at the description on the video to see links on how to purchase Glisten. And you'll also see that it's on sale for a period of time over at ABC Window Cleaning Supply. That's a look at Glisten, window cleaning solution. You saw it here on Window Warriors Forum.